Marjena. So let's. So today my sister is doing like crafting some kind of can thingamajiggy, and I'm here with my friend Caleb.
Hey y'all!
She is right here crafting.
Hi! This is mine.
I'm just making Caleb a zebra tin can.
Whatever.
Yes. So anyway, we are just outside today in the lovely
I'm constipated.
wilderness. Oh shoot, neighborhood with all these dumb gnats of ours, of stuff.
Of ours.
And Caleb wants to talk to you. So.
Hey, so I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but if you guys can recognize me, but I have a channel called Caleb Party, and
Oh, I still have this.
it's cringy. It's pretty cringy. So.
Oh yeah. But give him thumbs up anyway.
I
watched your video.
Like, comment, subscribe to it, and definitely make sure you like this video and subscribe to Marjena, cause she's my best friend. So, and so is this person right here. Okay, so I'm gonna give the camera back to Marjena, aka the tablet. So, did you just throw grass at me?
Okay. Guys, let's make like a long one, not a 5 So anyways, we are just outside. My house is like 2 blocks.
Don't tell them where your house is.
Oh, right. I gotta bury it out. The street, whatever, it doesn't matter. But they won't come find me.
We live in Michigan, by the way.
Yeah. They probably know.
Michigan, Chesterfield, Heritage Condos. And that's all.
Shut up. Okay, so anyways, if you do any... Dude. Okay. So we were just outside behind our houses. These are the garages. My house is 2 blocks down from here. And I'm just walking outside. And we just came out here to enjoy.
Yeah,
and I was thinking about making a YouTube video. So I was like, why not? Let's make one.
You guys. We used to be homeless. So look at our used to be homeless place.
Whatever. And you can check out my sister's channel at Marjena Reigns. She has funny videos. She introduced herself. She did a room deck tour. Woo! And I'm going to show you my cat later. Sorry we didn't get to that yet. I hope you guys liked my guitar video. And yeah. We are having so much fun out here. It's really cool though. It's like probably, it's like 70 something. And look, they're just doing this. What did you just say?
Oh, hold on. I like James Charles.
See, look at all this.
Hi,
CD, EFG. Shit.
That's gonna get demonetized.
What does that mean? Shoot. What does that mean?
That means that your video will be taken down and so will your channel. If you custom it.
Well, do you think I should start this over?
No, it's fine.
Okay, so, but whatever.
Where is the C? There's no C? What the heck?
We already used up all the C's. Anyway, Caleb is just trying to find a C in the alphabet because he, like, is going to decorate his can.
Mustaches.
And there's mustaches? What? See, there's kind of animals and, like, phones and mustaches.
And by the way, they're just paper. You have to actually tape them down yourself.
Like,
no, those are stickers.
Anyways, I am glad I actually did a YouTube channel today because I almost forgot only a YouTube video. Jesus, why do I keep calling it a YouTube channel? Oh, shoot, my mosquito bite. Okay, a YouTube video. And the person who said SHIT, there was the person behind us. Because there's somebody else behind us, but left. So.
Yeah, she's annoying, by the way. So we were doing this, one thing. Like, we were garbage picking. And, like.
It just has to be fine, but. Yeah,
like, this girl came up and started taking everything. And it was annoying. Like, so, like, she was really taking everything, and we hardly got the chance to take anything. And, it was pretty crappy. I hated her for that, and she can suck my
butt.
Yeah. She can kiss my wrist, basically. Also, kiss my beep.
So that is Caleb.
Yep.
He's
That's my opinion.
has a lot of opinions and stuff. So
And
when
that's
I am gonna like make another YouTube channel and probably another YouTube video and probably add it on to here. Man, I can't wait until I get a GoPro because this tab is bothering me. So
nothing will cover the black.
what, Nene?
Nothing will cover the black. How about trying black? I knew that.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get this camera all steady. Nene, tell me if you here.
The black won't cover the black. I love myself.
It won't cover the black. It won't cover the Nene, see that?
It won't cover the black.
I'm using black and it won't cover the black.
Oh my god, I just guessed.
It's like dead, Nene, probably.
No.
So we're just out here enjoying the nature. I hope you guys had a good day. Comment down below what you were doing if you were outside. We just got back from camp like an hour ago because oh no, it's like 3 hours. Sorry, my hand is in the way.
Does it?
That's it. I'm just. It's like it's 6:41, so we have to be back in like
20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes because we gotta get in the shower. We have
Where's
camp
the tape?
tomorrow.
Where's
So
the tape?
we will make another YouTube video
I don't know.
That tape
And-
is expensive.
we will tell you how it's going so far. So
Oh, by
give
the
me
way,
those-
I have a Musically account. Follow me.
what's your name?
Giraffe
1334
_.
giraffe _1334. So you might want to follow him because he's
Or else I
a.
will find you and I will.
Oh, and I did a Musically with him, so be sure to like say that's Mark Slynn, a YouTuber or something. I don't know.
Oh, by the way, definitely do subscribe. I already said that. Sorry, I suffer from short-term memory loss. Sorry.
It's really true, but he doesn't forget us.
Wait, you do?
Sometimes.
He doesn't forget us because we're like his long-lasting friends. And I'm just picking grass over here.
They're
so.
basically like my sisters, so
Yeah.
Where did it? Oh.
I have it.
Anyways, so give me all those
Anyhow.
likes and subscribe and comment down below what you think. Some stuff will be in the description below.
Make sure you share it with your friends.
And share it to other people who like love nature. I don't love nature, but I'm just outside enjoying it right now. Cause it's peaceful, you know.
People. I like
so
people.
give me those likes, subscribe, and comment down below.
Also follow
Thank
me
you.
on Snapchat.
You have Snapchat?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get Snapchat soon. I'm gonna get Musically. I don't know what my name is, but I'm gonna put it in the description below when in another video if I even know. So give me those likes, subscribe, and comment down below. I already said that 3 times. Jesus.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Anyways, have a good day, everybody. Peace.
Wait, how many minutes was that?